fucking kid that's behind all this commotion, emotions run deep as oceans exploding. Zippers flaring from Paris, blow them off and keep going. Not taking nothing from no one, give them hell long as I'm breathing. Kicking ass in the morning and taking names in the evening, leaving with the taste of sour with vinegar in their mouth. But they never figure me out. Look at me now. I bet you're probably sick of me now, ain't you, mama? I'ma make you look so ridiculous now. I'm sorry, mama.
Go slow.
I never meant to hurt you.
Very slow.
I
So it
never
doesn't
meant to
bounce.
make you cry, but tonight I'm
Can we just
cleaning up my
go?
closet.
Stop this silliness.
I said I'm sorry, mama. I never meant
Walgreens.
Too much on my plate. I done came way too far in this game to turn and walk away and not say what I got to say. What the fuck you take me for? A joke? You smoking crack?
In 1,000 feet, use the second from the right lane to turn right onto South Brown Street.
I ain't coming in here. Come in. Hey yo, this is my love song. It goes like this. Back when Mark Wahlberg was Marky Mark.
Use the second from the right lane to turn right onto South Brown Street, then use the left 2 lanes to take the I-90 East ramp.
You'll probably crawl and you'll be sick then and you'll probably barf. And my prediction is you gon' probably fall either somewhere